Did you know most store-bought cleansers have ingredients your skin doesn't actually need and leaves out the ingredients your skin loves? Most face washes either strip your skin, don't clean well enough, or are packed with fillers. But the secret to a truly effective cleanser, it all comes down to choosing the right ingredients, and you can make it yourself. And that's exactly what we're diving in today. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, a certified aromatherapist, and I'll walk you through the best ingredients for facial cleansers so you can create a face wash that's natural, effective, and perfect for your skin. By the end of this video, you'll know the different types of cleansing ingredients, the best natural surfactants, the nourishing oils and butters that keep your skin soft, how to customize your cleansers with hydrators, exfoliants, and preservatives. Plus, I'll share a free guide to help you get started. Let's start with the science, because once you know how a cleanser works, you can make a better one. First, let's break down the best surfactants for facial cleansers. Cleansers work by using surfactants, the ingredients that grab onto dirt and oil so that they can be rinsed away. But not all surfactants are the same. Some cleanse your skin gently while others strip away your skin's natural oil. At Simply Earth, we use a mix of surfactants to create really gentle cleansers that are friendly on the skin. A great example, our face wash powder. You can use it as is or customize it with carrier oils and essential oils. Foam Boost, it's a mild liquid surfactant that boosts lather while being really gentle on your skin. It's a game changer to create foamy, non-drying cleanser. Glycerin Melt and Pour Soap. If you love a bar cleanser, this is an easy way to create a really gentle facial cleanser. SLSA and SCI powder both create a rich, bubbly lather while staying gentle on the skin. Plus, SCI powder matches your skin's natural pH, making it perfect for facial care. Emollients, keeping your skin nourished. Cleansing your skin shouldn't mean drying out your skin. That's where emollients come in. They lock in moisture, keeping your skin feeling soft and smooth. Mango butter and shea butter, deeply nourishing and rich in vitamins. These butters help restore hydration after cleansing. Jojoba and argan oil are lightweight, non-greasy carrier oil. They're packed with nutrients that support healthy skin. Beeswax and cetyl alcohol help thicken your cleansers and stabilize solid cleansers while leaving your skin feeling silky and smooth. These ingredients are great for protecting your skin's natural barrier. Want to level up your cleanser? Add a natural exfoliant. These gently remove dead skin cells to leave your skin feeling fresh and renewed. Two easy natural exfoliants to work with are ground oatmeal, which you might already have in your house, and kaolin clay. Not only do these exfoliate, but they absorb excess oils and help detox your skin. If you are making a liquid facial cleanser, these ingredients add hydration benefits. Make sure you use distilled water as your base. This is going to create a higher quality product than tap water. Aloe vera is soothing and hydrating and great for all skin types. Hydrosols add calming benefits while adding subtle, beautiful scent. Let's talk about preservatives because no one wants bacteria in their face wash. GeoGuard ECT, this is our go-to at Simply Earth. It's a natural, easy-to-use preservative that keeps your DIY cleanser safe. But if you're using Simply Earth's face wash powder base, you don't need to add a preservative because you're just going to add a tiny bit of water every time you use it, so it won't go bad due to water use. Ready to create your perfect facial cleanser? Check out the description box where I have a free cheat sheet that will teach you everything you need to know about creating your own DIY skincare routine, including how to make your own facial cleanser. You can also grab our DIY facial cleansers kit to get everything you need to start making your own DIY facial cleansers today. Plus, check out Simply Earth's recipe box for more easy to follow skincare recipes. Which ingredient are you excited to try? Comments below. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to grab your free guide.